All right, so you're going to get in a starting position with the kettlebell or the dumbbell. So you're going to bring it over right there so it's tight on your chest. Now, we're going to go through the transition. So first, the easy part, you got arm at 45-degree angle. Then you're going to press the kettlebell up or dumbbell. Okay, then you're going to get into a quarter Turkish get-up. And there's a quarter. Okay, so you notice the arm's still in the same position. Now the only thing you're going to do now is a half Turkish get-up, which is get into the side plank. There. So all you did was lift your hip. The hip is lifted. Okay, now you're going to bring the leg through onto the knee. That's it. And you should be looking at the kettlebell or dumbbell the whole time. Looking up. There you go. All right. Then up. Go up. And then you're going to stand up. And the reverse. Back down. Kneel. Lean. And bring the leg back through. There it is. And then sit down and lay down. And you're done.